Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to look at some four-wheel dirt bikes. Called Honda something. I forgot the full name of it, but we're gonna go look at that today and show you guys around. So let's go. Okay, I'm at the place and I'm just gonna show you guys around. Okay guys, this is what I'm looking at. Pretty cool. But it's only So yeah guys, that's the store. The first one I showed you I'm really thinking to get because it's really nice, but it's always under 16. That means you can't ride under 16. It says 16 or under you can't ride, so I'll still ride it though because it fits me perfectly. Yeah, so that's basically it. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe, like, comment, smash that like button, and I will see you guys next video. Peace.